Hello my friend, Ken Melendez here, excited to come at you with another video today. Today we're going to be talking about Handbrake. Handbrake is an absolutely amazing tool that can help you to enhance your video uploading experience. That's right, it's going to give you a better experience uploading to DTube, to YouTube, to wherever you upload your videos, hopefully on DTube. But usually when people are recording videos, they take up a lot of space. Okay, the video recorders nowadays, even for a 5-minute video, can make your file size over 2 gigs in size. And so when they're that large, sometimes they take a long time. Even if you have a fast internet connection, sometimes they take a while to upload to your favorite video site. So Handbrake solves your problem. You know, I've been uploading for many months now, and over the past couple months I've been using Handbrake religiously, and it has astronomically cut down the time that it takes me to upload my videos both on DTube and YouTube. So let's get right into this quick tutorial on how to use Handbrake. First of all, you want to download it. I'm going to leave a link below this video, so you can feel free to check it out. It's an absolutely free software, guys, so you don't have to worry about paying anything. You can download Handbrake to your computer, and then you'll be able to insert your video and shrink down the file size to mere megabytes. That's right, megabytes. So let me show you how to do that. First of all, you're going to open Handbrake like I did just now, and then you're going to choose a file to upload into Handbrake. So let's imagine that you've already created your video and you want to shrink the file size. So what do? You go to File, and then it's going to pull up your File Explorer, and then you're going to go and navigate to your video. So for me, I've already got a video ready to go to show you guys. Now, as you can see right here, this video is 2.64 gigs. So that is taking up a lot of space, and normally that video would take a long time to upload. It would take at least 20 minutes to half an hour to upload to DTube or YouTube. So let's go ahead, even longer for some people. Let's go ahead and choose this video and choose Open. Now it's going to insert itself into Handbrake, and Handbrake is going to pull it up. There's my handsome mug right there, got my mouth open. So what's going to happen is it's going to give me these choices here. It's going to be called presets. So on presets, what I want to do, since I'm going to be posting this video to the web, I want to optimize my video for web. So I'm going to choose presets, and then I'm going to go to the drop down menu and choose web. And normally I'll choose Vimeo YouTube 720/30. So this is what I like to choose a lot of times. I don't really need the high quality 1080p or the 1440p. 720 is absolutely perfect. It's been great for me uploading to DTube and to YouTube. So I'm going to choose that option. And now, as you can see on the left-hand side, it's going to show the format. You want to make sure that it's on MP4, and then it's also web optimized, and also that the align is the align AV start is checked as well. So once you have these options down, you've got the Vimeo YouTube 720p 30, and then you've got the MP4 format. You are ready to encode this video file and make it a lot smaller. Have you seen Honey, I Shrunk the Kids before? That old movie where, you know, the kids get shrunk and they walk through that I don't know, they walk through the yard and they run into all these bugs and stuff. Well, this is kind of similar. This is Honey, I Shrunk the Video. So maybe I'll call my maybe I'll call this video. No, we'll see. Anyways, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate over to the browse area because I want to be able to save this new file that I'm creating. So I'm going to click on browse, and I'm going to want it on the desktop as well, and then I'm going to call it something. So let's call it video 1. We'll call it video 1 and click on save. Okay, so now it's going to save in my desktop on my user. Okay, desktop video 1 MP4. So that's where it's going to save. It's going to save right here on my desktop. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Start Encode. And what it's going to do, it's going to prepare to encode. If you ask me how the tool actually encodes and shrinks the video file, I have no idea. I only know how to use it. Kind of like electricity, you know, we don't really know how it works, but we all reap the benefit of it. So we are reaping the benefit of Handbrake shrinking our video file. And it's really awesome because it will shrink it down to mere megabytes, and then when it does that, we can upload it to DTube in no time flat. So let's see. Right now it says time remaining 15 minutes. Okay, which is fine because normally an upload to DTube or YouTube, like I said, would take at least a half an hour, even sometimes an hour. A lot of times it takes a while, guys, for these larger files, even with a fast internet speed. So it's worth the wait. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this video and I'm going to come back when the time is complete. And we're back. All right, guys. So the video file is now shrunk. As you can see over here, I've got video 1. Let's go ahead and check out how large this file is. This file is 196 megabytes. So that's a large jump from over 2 gigs down to 196 megabytes. So a lot of times this is even smaller file size than a photo that you would take, with your phone. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload this to DTube, and we're going to see how fast it actually goes. Right now I'm using my phone's hotspot, and I'm going to upload this video. I'm not actually going to publish it, but I'm going to show you guys how quickly it uploads. So let's click on Start the Upload, and let's navigate over to the desktop and to video 1 and open. Alright, so that's going to upload, and normally when you upload to DTube, it stays in this red area for quite a long time. But as you can see, since it's only 100 and some megabytes, now it's just moving along very easily. Okay, it's already in the yellow, and it's been less than a minute, guys, since this has started uploading. So now it's uploading. If this was the video file that was over 2 gigs, it would still be here in the red. So I'm uploading this, and I could show you on YouTube as well. I think I might show you that after this uploads. As you can see, it's going very quickly. This goes even faster in my home internet. My hotspot is fast too, which is nice because I can upload a video from wherever I'm at. If I'm in the car or if I'm in a coffee shop or wherever I'm at, I can upload a video using my hotspot. I can even upload a video straight from my phone, which is for a whole nother video that I'm going to do for you guys. So as you can see, it's already in the green, which is great. And it's almost there. So after it does that initial upload, then it's going to go into the IPFS, process of transferring into IPFS. Which once it does that, then I'll be able to post the video, but I'm not going to actually do that. Just showing you guys how quickly this uploads. So if I go into YouTube, we're going to jump over to YouTube here, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to show you guys the upload. This was for a file that was over 2 gigs, and this video is, I think it's around 8 minutes long. So we're going to upload this. Video 1, open. Your video is still uploading, which is fine. It started at 8 minutes. 8 minutes is a lot faster than half an hour, guys. I'll tell you that right now. So it's saving me a lot of time. So if I go back to DTube, it's uploading, and like I said, it's really, really fast. So that's about it, guys. I just wanted to show you how Handbrake works. If you have any questions on that, feel free to leave them below. And that's about it. So I can't wait to see you in the next video, my friend. Download Handbrake, and I will catch you in the next one. Until next time, remember, you're awesome, you're always awesome, and that's a wrap. Take care.